Today we are talking about essential Final Cut Pro plugins you should consider buying in order to step up your video editing game. All of those plugins are paid plugins and I paid them myself, so there is no money exchange in here. And I consider those plugins as must-haves. Let's start with number one, which is my absolute favorite plugin. It's called Color Finale. Unfortunately, the capabilities of Final Cut Pro's built-in color grading tool are pretty limited. And here comes Color Finale with a wide range of different options like hue sliders, curves, and a sharpening tool. You can reach the look you desire so much faster and better. Well, I know it's not cheap with 99 bucks for the standard version and 149 with the pro version. It's a pretty expensive plugin, but I have to say I don't regret that I put the money down at all. I use it all the time and I have to say color grading became my favorite part of editing. Number two is Pixel Film Studio's Auto Tracker 2.2. No, unfortunately, Final Cut Pro doesn't give you any options of tracking motion at all. So if you want to track motion, you have to go with third-party plugins. The Auto Tracker from Pixel Film Studios works pretty much okay, especially for hyperlapse and stuff like that. The Auto Tracker comes with a fairly decent price of 39 bucks, and I have to say for my purposes, it's a pretty amazing tool. Let's go to number three, which is Pixel Film Studios Glow Brush. That's basically a tool to create scribble effect for your videos in a quick and easy way. All you have to do is scribble frame by frame over your subject and hit the save button. This plugin comes as a decent price as well. With 29 bucks, it's pretty cheap, but it's definitely worth the money. So as I said before, my name is Eric. I do Final Cut Pro tutorials and I have a lot of free plugins, so check out all my other videos. If you guys haven't already, smash the sub button and follow me on Instagram, lifted_Eric. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.